Jayalalitha will stay in jail because the matter has been adjourned till the 7th of October. So the AIADMK chief will have to continue staying in jail. This matter had come up in the vacation bench of the Karnataka High Court. And now we will be getting the details from my colleague Madhav, who will be telling us what exactly transpired. Now, remember, one of the applications that had been moved by Jayalalitha's counsel, including senior counsel Ram Jethmalani, was that of a speedy or an early hearing. That came up today, but the bail matter has been adjourned till the 7th of October. Remember, the court is on vacation till the 6th of October.
As far as Jayalalitha's case is concerned, it will now be heard by a regular judge on the 7th. Clearly, of course, the prosecution, as we were expecting, did come and ask really for time to file objections into this entire matter. And clearly, of course, that is something that time had to be given by the court. So now, of course, given the fact that the next 3 or 4 days will see vacations and compulsory holidays of the court, clearly, of course, it is on the 7th that this matter will now be heard. So at least another 4 days that Jayalalitha will have to spend in Bangalore Central Jail at Parapara Agrahara.
It's a huge setback. Yesterday, when the petition that came up before the vacation bench was adjourned to the 6th of October, Jayalalitha, jail sources tell us that Jayalalitha seemed quite upset. She refused even to meet the people who had come, all the ministers, MNAs who had come to meet her, waited outside the jail premises for hours together, but then she did not meet them. And today the same is likely to happen. As Shabir was stating earlier, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Paneerselvam, had all plans of coming to Bangalore to meet Jayalalitha, but it is to be seen if she will meet him as well. As far as her health is concerned, sources from the Central Jail tell us that as the jail manual mandates, the jail hospital doctors or the jail hospital staff do conduct a regular health checkup every morning once she gets up and has her breakfast and once before the breakfast. But no word particularly coming in if there has been a deterioration in her health condition.